Good morning, dear student. Today in class 6 geography, we will discuss about the political division of South America. You can see this is the continent of South America with different countries. So let's see. So South America is almost completely surrounded by water, being joined to North America only by the Isthmus of Panama. So let's see what are the water bodies that surrounds. You can see over here North Atlantic Ocean and South Atlantic Ocean, and this side west. This is east. Okay, eastern side, and this is west. You can see the Pacific Ocean, South Pacific Ocean, and over here you can see that South America is connected with North America. Okay, this is called the Isthmus of Panama, which connects. Okay, so the Atlantic Ocean is to its east and Pacific Ocean lies to its west. Immediately to the north lies the Caribbean Sea. Okay, so over here you can see the Caribbean Sea, this area. Okay, in the north this area is Caribbean Sea. Then Terra del Fuego, of which the southern tip of Cape Horn is a part is separated from the mainland by the Strait of Magellan. Okay, so now let's see the southern part. Okay, where is Terra del Fuego and Strait of Magellan? You can see, and the Cape Horn. This part is called the Cape Horn. It looks like a horn, so it is called Cape Horn. Okay, so the Terra del Fuego, of which the southern tip is this island is called Terra del Fuego. Okay, and the southern tip is called the Cape Horn, which is separated from the mainland. This is the mainland. You can see this is separated by the Strait of Magellan. Okay, there are some well-known islands in the water uh, around the continent, like the Falkland Island, also called the Malvinas, and lie in the Atlantic and belong to Britain. Okay, so this island, Malvinas, is under the administration of Great Britain. Then the Galapagos Island in the Pacific Ocean are a part of Ecuador. Ecuador is the country which is having administration over this island. Then the continent of America comprises 13 countries. So altogether 13 countries are there in South America on the mainland and some islands in the Pacific and Atlantic Ocean. The two main languages spoken in South America are Spanish and Portuguese. These are the two main language which is spoken in South America, Spanish and Portuguese. Brazil is the largest country that is found in South America, and Argentina is the second largest country in terms of both area and population. Okay, so Argentina is the second largest country of South America. So with this, we complete the syllabus of uh, class 6 geography. Now, whatever glossary are given, learn it by heart and do the exercise. If you have any doubt in any of the question answer or anything, you can ask me in the interaction class. Okay, and let's see the political map of South America. Okay, so Brazil, this is the largest country. Then Argentina, this green is the Argentina, which is the second largest country. Beside this, you can see all these small countries are there in the map. You can see Venezuela, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Bolivia, Chile, Paraguay. Then this is Chile. Okay, then Uruguay is over here. Then Ghana is over here. Okay, so in French Guiana is this one. Then Suriname is this one. So altogether 13 countries are there in South America. Okay, so take care of yourself, study properly. Your exam is approaching. Okay, and study nicely and give the exam nicely. Okay, thank you. Take care. Bye.